Are you struggling to keep your financial records accurate and up to date in Xero? Mastering bank reconciliation is essential for maintaining the integrity of your business's financial data. So in this video, we'll explore how to reconcile on Xero, and you will see every step of reconciling your bank account in Xero, from setup to troubleshooting, and offer expert tips for smooth reconciliation. Let's dive in, but before we start, number 1, setting up for bank reconciliation. Before you start reconciling, it's essential to set up Xero properly to ensure your transactions are imported accurately and reconciliation runs smoothly. Here's how to get started. Add your business bank accounts. Go to the accounting menu in Xero and select bank accounts. Click Add Bank Account and choose your bank from the list. If your bank isn't listed, you can add the account manually by entering the account name, account number, and other details. Adding your business bank account allows Xero to track and manage all transactions from this account. Connect a bank feed. A bank feed is a feature that automatically imports your bank transactions into Xero. To set up a feed, select the bank account in Xero and click Get Bank Feeds. Follow the prompts to connect your bank securely. Some banks may require additional authentication steps, such as entering a security code or confirming access on their portal. Enter conversion balances. If you're switching to Xero from another accounting system, ensure that you input your opening balances and set a conversion date. These balances serve as the starting point for reconciliation, ensuring the seamless transition to Xero. Proper setup ensures accurate data import, which is vital for successful reconciliation. Number 2, understanding the reconciliation dashboard. Xero's reconciliation dashboard is designed to simplify the reconciliation process. Left column, bank statement lines. This column displays transactions imported from your bank, either through bank feeds or manual uploads. Each line represents a real-world transaction, such as deposits, withdrawals, or transfers. Right column, Xero transactions. This column shows transactions that have been recorded in Xero, such as invoices, bills, or manually entered expenses. Goal of reconciliation. The primary objective of reconciliation is to match each bank statement line, left column, with its corresponding transaction in Xero, right column. This ensures your financial records align with your actual bank activity. Number 3, the reconciliation process. Review imported transactions. Start by reviewing the transactions in the left column to ensure all bank transactions have been imported correctly. If any transactions are missing, verify your bank feed connection or consider uploading transactions manually using a CSV file. Match existing transactions. Xero often provides automatic suggestions for matching transactions. For example, if you issued an invoice to a client and they made a payment, Xero might suggest matching the bank deposit with the corresponding invoice. Carefully review these suggestions before confirming. If the match is correct, click OK. Create new transactions. When no match exists, you can create a new transaction directly within the Reconcile tab. For example, if you pay for office supplies with a debit card, but the transaction isn't recorded in Xero, you can create a spend money transaction, categorize it, and save it to Reconcile. Handle transfers between accounts. If the transaction represents a transfer between two of your bank accounts, use the transfer option to ensure both accounts reflect the transfer correctly. Number 4, utilizing bank rules for efficiency. Xero's bank rules feature automates the categorization of recurring transactions, saving time and improving accuracy. Create bank rules. Navigate to the bank accounts page and click on Bank Rules. Choose whether to create a rule for money coming in, regular customer payments, or money going out, for example, monthly software subscriptions. Define conditions for the rule, such as payee name or amount, and specify how the transaction should be categorized. Apply bank rules. Once you've created rules, Xero will automatically apply them to matching transactions during reconciliation. For example, if you pay the same utility company monthly, Xero will recognize these payments and categorize them correctly. Number 5, managing unreconciled transactions. Keeping track of unreconciled transactions is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. Identify unreconciled items. In the bank accounts section, unreconciled transactions are flagged with a number next to the account name. Click the account to review these transactions. Investigate and resolve issues. Missing invoices, incorrect amounts, or transactions recorded under the wrong category are common causes of unreconciled items. Correct these errors and reconcile the transactions to clear them from the list. Number 6. Reconciling foreign currency accounts. If your business deals with multiple currencies, Xero has tools to simplify foreign currency reconciliation. Enable multi-currency support. Ensure that your Xero subscription includes the multi-currency feature. Activate it in your settings if you haven't already. Add foreign currency accounts. Add a new bank account in the desired currency by selecting the appropriate option during account setup. Reconcile as usual. The reconciliation process is similar to domestic accounts, but Xero will handle currency conversions automatically, using daily exchange rates to provide accurate records. Number 7. Running reconciliation reports. After completing reconciliation, it's good practice to generate reports for review and record keeping. These reports provide a clear picture of your financial health and help you identify any unresolved issues that might need further attention. Accessing reports. Go to the Reports menu and select Bank Reconciliation Summary. This report is essential for verifying your financial data and ensuring consistency between Xero and your bank statements. What the report displays. Reconciled transactions. A detailed list of transactions successfully matched to your bank statement. These serve as proof that your financial entries are accurate. Unreconciled items. This section highlights discrepancies, such as unmatched payments or deposits, which might indicate errors or missing records. Overall account balance. The summarized balance in Xero compared to the bank's actual balance, ensuring both align after reconciliation. Importance of generating reports. Regular review. Running these reports regularly allows you to catch and correct issues promptly, avoiding compounding errors. Audit readiness. Comprehensive reconciliation reports are indispensable during audits, showcasing the accuracy of your financial records. Financial insights. Use these reports to identify trends, such as irregular spending patterns or opportunities for cost savings. In addition to keeping you organized, reconciliation reports are valuable for communicating financial clarity to team members, investors, or accountants. Number 8. Troubleshooting common reconciliation issues. Discrepancies between Xero and bank statements. If your Xero balance doesn't match your bank statement, take the following steps. Review recent transactions to check for duplicate or missing entries. Verify that all transactions have been categorized correctly. Unmatched transactions. If Xero can't find a match for a bank statement line, use the Find and Match feature to search for possible matches. Alternatively, create a new transaction to reconcile the entry. Bank fee problems. Occasionally, bank feeds may disconnect or fail to import transactions. Check the status of your bank feed under the Bank Accounts menu. Reconnect the feed if necessary or manually import transactions using a CSV file. Number 9. Best practices for successful bank reconciliation. Reconcile regularly. Reconciling your bank accounts daily or weekly ensures your financial data stays current and helps identify discrepancies early. Monitor bank feed connections. Regularly check that your bank feeds are active and importing transactions as expected. Categorize transactions consistently. Use bank rules and standardized categories to maintain consistency in your financial records. Review reports. Generate reconciliation and account activity reports periodically to confirm the accuracy of your records. Number 10. Benefits of bank reconciliation in Xero. Xero's reconciliation feature offers numerous advantages. Time savings. Automated bank feeds and rules reduce manual entry. Improved accuracy. Regular reconciliation minimizes errors and ensures accurate financial records. Compliance. Accurate records make tax filing and audits easier. So, what do you think? Are you ready to take control of your financial records by mastering bank reconciliation in Xero? Share your thoughts and experiences below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insightful tutorials and tips.